The moment has come for advertisers to closely look at their goals, growth, objectives, and critical performance metrics. Recently, advertisers worldwide have been experimenting with new approaches to attract and engage new users and consumers through pay-per-click advertising. There's something for everyone from Google's ever-changing search services to Instagram's new shop tab, Bing's search services, and even the Gen X-dominated TikTok. But what is pay-per-click or PPC? And how to turn your viewers into clients through PPC? All your questions will be answered in this video. But before I move ahead, I would like you to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. So, pay-per-click is one of the well-known internet marketing strategies in which you are charged a fee each time your advertisement is clicked. In a sense, it means you pay for visitors to your website rather than trying to earn them naturally. Building a successful PPC campaign needs extensive research, selecting the correct keywords, organizing those keywords into well-organized campaigns and ad groups, and creating optimized PPC landing pages for conversions and sales. So in today's video, I'll be informing you about some of the essential PPC strategies you must keep in your mind when growing your business. Let's get started. The first strategy is to define your target audience. Although keywords are crucial in PPC advertising, the focus is increasingly on the audience segmentation and targeting. You will be able to design a sophisticated segmentation plan based on your various audience categories if you can collect and evaluate a huge amount of audience data. Expanding your platform is the second strategy you need to follow. While Google and Facebook are the most well-known online advertising platforms, it's crucial to spread your PPC and spending across other platforms. Additionally, to reach your potential customer base, many platforms are enhancing their personalization and targeting possibilities. The third strategy must be to optimize ads for voice search. Businesses that cannot optimize their PPC campaigns for voice searches risk missing out on the chance to be featured in voice search results. Voice searches account for up to 50% of all searches, so don't forget to miss this strategy. This will allow you to learn more about audience search intent and how to better prepare your future campaigns. The fourth strategy is local service ads. Google is expanding its local services to ads to offer more markets and services in your area, such as plumbers and electricians. It is undeniable that it creates more leads and attracts more clients. Local companies appear at the top of the page for up to 90% of consumers who search for them online. Last but not the least is to utilize artificial intelligence. PPC platforms now use automation to assist marketers in optimizing their ad campaigns. Google, for example, has several tools such as automate bidding that assist advertisers in saving time and effort when managing PPC campaigns. Many of these capabilities are enabled by artificial intelligence, which can help generate accurate predictions because the platform has access to massive quantity of data. PPC advertising market is rapidly expanding, with ad platforms regularly releasing new tools and formats to streamline campaign management. Consumers want ads to provide a consistent and relevant experience that meet their demands. So if you are a digital marketer, then these PPC strategies will provide you with the most relevant results in 2022. So what do you think? Do let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.